If you're looking to go that extra mile, or a lot more than that, ask your dealer about a Lexus Vehicle Service Agreement. With a variety of plan options and coverage terms available, you can keep driving with confidence, even after the end of your new vehicle warranty. A Lexus Vehicle Service Agreement offers exceptional coverage for your new, L-certified, and used Lexus vehicle, including repair costs for mechanical breakdown and parts. That means you can enjoy a few more years or a few more miles of Lexus-approved parts with factory-trained technicians and 24/7 roadside assistance. Talk to your dealer about extending your coverage and your peace of mind with a Lexus Vehicle Service Agreement.